Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to pin to Taskbar ChatGPT. So let's start. This is my ChatGPT and here I already log in Google Chrome. After the login in Google Chrome, just go to the right hand side and click on this three dot. And here you can see there is a last option here, cast, save and share. In cast, save, share option have one option, create shortcut. Simply click on it and here you can see one dialog boxes pop up, create shortcut to this page. You can edit here the name of this shortcut. So I just remove these and here only ChatGPT showing. After that, click on the create. I just close these and go to the desktop and here you see your ChatGPT shortcut is created. Now simply right click on it and here the click on the pin to taskbar option. And here you can see in taskbar your ChatGPT is pinned. To open this ChatGPT, simply double click on here and here you can see your ChatGPT is open in Google Chrome. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.